in this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert an SD card into your SJCAM SJ8 PRO. To do it, simply find the door at the bottom, then slide them out like that. Don't be scared to apply enough force for it. It'll open by itself later on. You can see I already have an SD card in. I'm gonna click it. It's quite difficult to do it that way, so what I prefer is taking the battery out first. Then to put the SD card in, just put it like that, so the logo of the SD card is facing towards the battery side, like that. Put it in like that, then you can use your fingernail to click it in. Once it clicks, it's in. If you want to later take it out, just click it again. It'll jump out, so be careful with it. I'm gonna put it back in because the video is about insetting, not about jumping SD cards. Then put the battery in. Mind the pins so they align well. And also you can look at the arrow and see where the camera front is. Then close the door and the SD card is inserted. You can now do whatever you want with it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.